Let's talk about let's talk about the receiver. So a receiver, which can be represented by RX, is a collection of electronic circuits and components designed to convert the signal back to the original information. Imagine a receiver as a magical treasure chest filled with special tools to turn the scrambled message back into its original form, right? It reprocesses the signal received from the transmitter through the channel by undoing the signal modifications made at the transmitter and channel. The receiver's magical tools carefully unravel and fix all the changes made to the message during its journey. In the in other words, the receiver accepts the transmitted message from the channel and converts it back into a form understandable by humans. Think of it as a wise wizard who takes the complex magical message and turns it into something that everyone can understand. The receiver operations include demodulation, decoding, amplification for compensating transmission losses, attenuation, etc. The wizard uses special spells to break down the magical language, that is demodulation, decode it, and make it stronger and clearer, which is amplification. Demodulation and decoding are the reverse of the signal processing performed at the transmitter. These spells are the opposite of what was done when the message was first sent, like reversing or transformation spell. Thus, the receiver consists of amplifier, detector, mixer, oscillator, transducer, and so on. In the wizard's treasure chest, you'll find powerful artifacts like amplifier to boost the signal, detector to find the hidden messages, mixers and oscillators to sort out the magic frequencies, and transducer to turn the magic back into sound or images we can see and hear. Let's talk about the digital modulator. The digital modulator processes the channel corrupted transmitted waveform and reduces the waveform to the sequence of numbers that represent estimates of the transmitted data symbols. Imagine the digital modulator as a clever puzzle solver that takes a jumbled, messy picture and carefully puts all the pieces back together to receive the original image. Now let's talk about the source decoder. At the end of an analog signal, at the end, if an analog signal is desired, then the source decoder tries to decode the sequence from the knowledge of the encoding algorithm. Picture the source decoder as a magic decoder ring that reads the secret code used to create the message and transforms it back into something familiar, like turning a cryptic spell back into a clear message, right? And which results in the approximate replica of the input at the transmitter end. This magic ring does its best to recreate the original message, making it look almost similar, in fact identical to what was sent at the beginning. Output transducer. Finally, we get the desired signal in the desired format, which is analog or digital. Think of the output transducer as a magical shapeshifter that can turn the message into whatever you need, into whatever form you need, be it a sound you can hear or an image you can see. Now let's talk about the note that we have down there, which is the output transducer converts the electrical signal to its original form, the message. This shapeshifter takes the final polished signal and transforms it back into the original message, ready for you to understand, like turning a coded scroll back into a spoken story.